children, today let's start with chapter number 4, more on animate CC. So in this chapter, we will study about how to create animation in CC. So when you watch your favorite cartoon movies or anime TV show, have you ever wondered how they are brought to life? Imagine that some software is used by the professional animator so that you can create some captivating character and scenes in the right way of finger. Now, Adobe Animate, much like the tool behind your beloved cartoon, allows you to design and animate characters, crafts engaging visual, and bringing your own creative ideas to light. Right? Adobe Animate CC provides comprehensive authority environment for creating interactive media-rich application. It is widely used for engaging project, integrating video, sounds, graphic, and animation. You can create original content and you can import it to your Adobe applications like Photoshop or Illustrator. Right? Motion Twin. Motion Twin is a type of animation that uses symbols so that you can create movement, size, and rotation, changes, fades, color effect, and you can use to create animation movement within a animation. Now, the object properties varies from position, side effect. You can create a motion twin using one of the following three methods. First is create a graphic or instance that you want to twin, and right click on the frame and select create motion twin. You will select the graphic or instance that you want to twin, and you can select insert twin from the main menu. Right, create a graphic or instance that you want to twin, and you will add right click to the instance on the stage and select to create motion. Next is motion guide twins. So a motion guide twin is a way to make object move along a specific path. It is just like a giving a object a track. आप एक object को track दे रहे हो कि वो follow करे और वो smoothly move करे और exactly where you want it. So a motion guide twin is similar to a motion twin, but the guide layer gives you more flexibility. Now follow the steps. First is click the frame 1 and drag the ball symbol. आप click 1 frame पे जाओगे, आप ball symbol को drag करोगे. Place the pointer to frame 30 in the timeline. Right click on the gray field below the frame 30 and you will click on the insert frame key option. Insert a new layer and rename as path and click the pencil tool in tool panel and you will draw a path जहाँ पे आप चाहते हैं कि जो आपकी जो layer है वो object में fall. Now select the path using selection tool and click edit and cut or path. Paste the path in the ball layer by pressing Ctrl+C. You will select the frame 1. From the properties panel, you will select the orient to path checkbox under the twinning section. You will press Ctrl plus enter to test the motif. Now shape twin. So we can say shape twin allows you to smoothly transform one page into another over a specified key. And you can create a seamless transition effect between them. Animate then interpolates the intermediate shapes for the frames in between, creating animation of one shape morphing into another. Right? Think of it like an experiment where you play around the different steps, what happens to make sure that the shape twin जो है वो smoothly आप shape hints को देख सकते हैं. Now in the frame 1, draw a square with the rectangle. आप square draw करोगे with rectangle tool. Select frame 30 on the same layer and then you will add a blank keyframe by choosing the insert timeline or pressing F7. Click on the frame 30 and draw a circle with the oval tool on the right side, frame 1 with the square. अब जो keyframe 30 होगा वो आपका circle होगा. Right, in the timeline you will select first frame 1 and right click and click on create shape width. Now layers in Animate C. So we can say layers enable you to organize the network in your document. You can draw and edit objects in the layer without affecting the object. ठीक है, बिना object को affect है. To draw, paint or otherwise modify the layer or folder, select the layer in the timeline to make it act. And pencil icon, जो आपका next to the layer or folder होगा उस पर आप timeline indicate करें. When you create an animate document, it contains only one layer to organize the artwork, animation and other area. There are 5 types of layer. Normal layer जिसमें आपके most of the artwork होंगे. Mask layer जिसमें आपका mask होगा जहाँ पे आप selected portion को hide कर सकते हो. Guided layer and motion twin layer जिसमें आपके motion twin मतलब object को हम animate करके use करेंगे. Now working with layer, using a separate layer or for separate symbol placed on the stage, you will allow you to manipulate each one different. आप allow करोगे कि आप एक दूसरे को differently manipulate करें, right? You can also decide which one will come in front visually by placing them on the higher layer. Now creating a layer, you will click on insert tab, select timeline. ठीक है, click on the layer option, a new layer will be before. Now renaming a layer, अब आपको उस layer को rename करना है. आप उस select करोगे उस layer के name को, डबल क्लिक करोगे एक्टिवेटेड लेयर पे, टाइप अ न्यू नेम, सेलेक्ट द मॉडिफाई टैब जो आपका सब मेन्यू में डिस्प्ले होगा, एंड चूज द टाइमलाइन एंड अ लेआउट प्रॉपर्टी डायलॉग बॉक्स विल अपीयर. Now locking a layer, click on the lock above the layer name. After clicking on the icon, you will see lock icon along with layer name. Right now showing or hiding a layer. आप शो कर रहे लेयर को हाइड करो विच इज प्रेजेंट अबव द एक्टिवेटेड लेयर. यू विल सी रेड क्रॉस सिंबल, वहां पे आप देखोगे रेड क्रॉस सिंबल. नाउ डिलीटिंग अ लेयर, select the layer which you want to delete. So in the layers pane, click on delete layer icon. The selected layer will be delete. आप देखेंगे जो भी आपकी selected layer है वो क्या हो जाएगी, delete हो जाएगी. Now masking, ये एक technique है which is used in animation to reveal or hide parts of the object or animation. Working with mask layer, you can use mask layer to reveal portion of the picture or graphic in the layer. To create a mask, you can specify that layer is. So to creating masking, you will create a new document. आप नया document create करोगे by pressing Ctrl+N and you will set background color gray. Select frame 30 and right click and select insert keyframe option. Right click on the layer and select insert layer option. Select the frame 1 of the text and fun with coloring using text tool. Drag the layer and interchange it up, marks and downs. Now select frame 1 of the layer and draw a blue color with fill color line. Select the circle by selection tool and press F8 or select modified and convert to symbol. You will type circle and you will click OK. Now delete the circle from the stage and drag another circle symbol in the library panel by the fun with curve. Select frame 30 for mask and drag circle on the right side of the text and fun with curve. Now right click on the text layer and select the mask option. Press Ctrl+Enter key so that you can run the animation. Now formatting text. अब आप formatting करना चाहते हो text in Animate CC. So creating and formatting, when you enter point text, each line of the text is independent. Length of the line या तो increase करेगी या decrease करेगी and you can edit the text, but it does not wrap the next. The text you enter appears in the new text layer and the small line through I-beam marks the position. वो एक position को mark करती है, right? Using the character panel. The character panel what is provide? ये आपको एक option provide करता है for formatting characters. The text is highlighted, changes make in the character panel. क्या करता है? Effect करता है कम हमेशा highlighted text. Right? So we can say that if any exit, if no text is highlighted and no text layers are selected. Changes जो भी आप changes करेंगे character panel में वो new default बन जाएगा for the next ad. You will choose window, workspace, text to display. Select the rotate text in the layer. In the character panel, choose columnar sans from font family. Choose bold font size आप 90 and leave all the options. ठीक है, आप सारे ऑप्शन को लीड हो. Now using paragraph panel, आप पैराग्राफ पैनल का यूज करके क्या कर सकते हो, सेट कर सकते हो ऑप्शन टू एंटायर पैराग्राफ, such as alignment, your indentation leading. From point text, each line is a separate paragraph. You can use paragraph panel to set formatting option for a single paragraph. Now in the paragraph panel, click the center text button, center of the layer, not to the center. Leave all other option at their default size. ठीक है, आप सारे ऑप्शन को as a default. Now positioning the time. The precisely position layer such as text layer you are working on. Now you can display rules, guides and grids. ठीक है, composition panel. So make sure that road trip text layer is selected. Choose layer, transform, fit to comp with the scales in the layer to fit to the width of the comp. Now you can position the text layer, choose view, show grid and view snap to grid. When the layer is in the position, choose view slow grid. Choose standard from the workspace menu at the top of the application. And you will choose file and you will save your project. And the file will be and the project will be saved over here. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now let's start with the exercise. Now first is fill in the blanks. A mask player cannot be inside a किसके अंदर नहीं हो सकता मोशन गाइड to make a layer as an active layer. अगर आपको लेयर को एक एक्टिव लेयर बनाना है, click a layer. Button. A dash twin is a way to make an object move along a specific path in animation. This is a name twin. Name twin is a way to make an object move along a specific path in animation. A dash twin is an animation that uses symbol to create movement. That is motion twin. And dash is the way to partially hide an image. That is masking. Now write T for true and F for false statement. First is motion twin are not used to create animation movement within the animate false. Animate CC widely used to create engaging projects, integrated videos, sounds, graphic animation. That is true. Animate CC create two types of twin animation, motion twin and motion guide twin. It's true. You cannot twin. आप twin नहीं कर सकते with the and the position and the color of the shape changes. False. A mask layer can contain only one mask item. False. एक से ज़्यादा भी हो सकता. Now pick the correct answer. Now motion guide twin. Make a object move along a specific path. Place symbol at the start and one end. Place shape or a same shape at the start end. So make a object move along a specific. A basic type of animation is क्या है? Motion twin animation. Right? Graphic is a type of. जो graphic है वो क्या है? It's a type of symbol. A dash twin is a way of creating multiple movement. जब आप multiple movement करते हैं twin में, so it is called motion. Now fifth is dash is the way to partially hide an image. जब आप क्या करते हो? Partially image को hide कर दो. That is masking. Now we have matched the following. Motion guide twin, a type of animation that uses symbol. That is simple relief portion of the masking. Then we have motion twin. It moves object smoothly. Shape twinning, draw vector shape. And layer, that is different level to which a player is drawing animation and object. Now, objective type. What is twin animation? Twin animation क्या होती है? Shape twin के बारे में बताओ. How you create a motion guide. And what is the layer in Animate CC और आप कैसे create कर सकते हो? Formatting text क्या? Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we'll meet in next class. That's all for today. Thank you.